Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the end of the day, last painting as the light is fading. Forgive me, sometimes I just don't give up. And I'm going to try and repeat the formula of the pillow that made me a painting I really liked recently, which is to go on either side of some black and use less paint, but I haven't been very good at the using less paint part at all. And I want not that green, I want some red, and it's right here. Do I want red first? That's the question. I really don't. I think I want some orange first. I'm not sure what I made the orange. It's not primary elements. I'm not sure what it is. But I know that if I use less, I'll probably be happier. And I forgot my purple in my last piece, and I'm not going to do that again because I really like purple, and you know that about me. And I think that I don't use yellow often enough not to give myself an opportunity. This is a primary elements. This is mango. I don't know what I'm going to get out of this. I'm getting very close to where I'm supposed to stop, and I still haven't put that purple down, but it's right here, so I'm going to go for it. And now my cell activators, which are 3/4 Floetrol. That's not coming out. Okay, that's on my foot. It's actually on the bandage that's covering my sprained ankle. I stayed in the house so long I got antsy and I needed art therapy. So here I am getting art therapy. Thank you guys for inspiring me. Yes, I did. I just added the color I was supposed to restrain myself from. And I'm probably not done. I didn't get enough orange in there, that's for sure. That is a blue I made myself from Grumbacher tube paint. And this is a Folk Art Color Shift cell producer. And all I want is more of that red, but you know what? I'm going to start now, and if I want to add more, I will. This is my golden product. That's the magenta cell activator, and it works better than anything so far. I love golden products. I use them a lot. I have, before I did fluid acrylic pouring and this current activity, oh, my tile's going to get filthy. Oh well, never mind. I'll clean it up. I'm going to blow into this. I'm sorry I interrupted myself. Wow. I'm telling you what, that golden product, the magenta, amazing. I'm trying to be good and follow the rules, which is blowing straight down in. I've actually come to prefer swiping, but I really want to conquer this. And I did such a nice painting recently, I can't help myself. I want to do it again. Glasses I need are on my head. I have other colors. I've got gold and I didn't use it. Where is my gold? Son of a gun. I buried it. Ha! It's right on top. Right where I can't see it. Well, I'm going to grab a little dribble. Because I'm not sure I can live without the gold. The yellow's great, but it's just not the same. Now, I see people using other tools, and I think that I have used a basting brush, much to my benefit. So before I go much further, I'm going to try and see what I might want to do with that. And then I'll throw it in the bucket. Now I've got a paint catch pan. Not that I'll catch much of anything with it. And I'm trying to open the wrong side, of course. It's sitting in another pan. So let's just get to the point where I might want an edge catcher sooner than later. I still use too many colors today. Sometimes just a few colors is the perfect palette. I am going to grab an edge catcher. Excuse me while I do that. I really do actually kind of think I'm going to put some more paint. Right around that edge. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under Show More, where you can shop at no added cost to you and help me out if you want to be of assistance. I've got some really cool stuff happening here. I don't think I'm going to mind it at all. I think I'm just going to take whatever I start with and let it come right back in, and then move it down again to the next place. You can really only, the edge catchers only work this way perfectly well on less deep edge canvases, but they really do work well. At least I think so. And I think I'm going to be using that again. I love what happens to these colors when I do this. I'm just going to line up. Let's hope this continues to be as cool as it looks right now. I could probably fill in. Yeah, I'm letting a lot of things. I could probably put this down at the other end. Oh God, I want to try that. Okay, permission granted. Oh no, we can't do it if it's not quick. Ah, paint's too heavy. I'm gonna do it. I am. That'll be a first. I've got a big thumbprint on the other side. But I am actually salvaging that color right off the edge catcher, which is pretty cool. And then I'm going to scrape it down also to make it even cooler. And then I'm going to dribble all over my arm. And now I'm going to forget about the edge catcher and just go ahead and try and get my spaces covered. I'll go back afterwards and see what I need to add. I'm sure I can steal a little bit of paint. And I really do need a bunch where I don't seem to have it available, but that doesn't mean anything because I'm resourceful and I'm having a good time, and I need to get some of that paint off my hands right now. Actually, less off my hands and more off my arms. Let that settle for a minute. And grab whatever paint is over here, dripping down the edges. Just smear it around. Now what I want, do I want white? I do. I don't know if this is going to work, but I wish it would. I'm either going to fill it in I'm going to blow that bug that just landed in there right over the side too. So I just added some cell activator right there, because I don't think it's going to hurt anything. At all. I kind of like it, actually. I'm going to be a horrendous painting mess again. That is the cost of blooming technique, is becoming a painty mess. But I think I can cover the rest of my areas, and I think I didn't turn on my timer. So I think that's absolutely gorgeous right now. So I'm not going to complain about anything. I'm going to keep spinning that around. I'm so painty, I can't touch anything without it falling over. My inclination is to add some more of the colors that I like where I want them. After I rinse my hands again, the temptation will be to torch. I'm going to take some of that cell activator. And blow it right over the edge where the rest of it's pink there. Oh, and it's cell activated again on the white. Wonderful. Cell activator away. Use a straw. Just make some minor adjustments. Look for some white paint to go in my spots, or close enough sort of thing. If I want white paint there, I can definitely just put the white paint there, and that's what I'm going to do. Because once it's been mixed with other paint, it's not as pure for sure. Not that that necessarily makes any difference, because it's definitely abstract accidental art. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, working on the last painting of the day in a sort of a bloom technique, and loving it and loving you guys. Thank you for 85,500 subscribers, maybe more. If you want to give me assistance, watching the videos longer is a huge assistance, because that's the only thing that the YouTube algorithm knows to help me get a better placement. I love you guys. I really appreciate your wonderful comments you leave me every day. You keep my morale boosted while things are weird at YouTube, and that does not seem like it's going to change very soon, but I would like it to. I do sell my artwork. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, and if you come for a class in the house in Spring Hill, you might be able to twist my arm to show you some bloom technique. I love that the paint isn't like falling all over the place, even though it's not level right now. I am going to torch, I think. I think sooner is better than later. I don't necessarily say that this is the done thing, but it's the thing I do. I have some really nice cells and a lot of gorgeous stripes and fabulous colors, and I have no regrets. Even though I sort of tried to promise myself I was going to use fewer colors. Maybe next time. I love you guys. Check under the video for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Teespring clothing with Oliver print t-shirts and leggings on it. Look for Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where you can usually see tomorrow's video. Also on the community board on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel you can find the icons for PayPal and Patreon, and you can find videos over 1,000 on created playlists, all organized by hundreds and also by genres. If you want to get in the monthly contest, if you want to get in the monthly drawing, definitely not a contest. you can be a contributor of $10 or more to keep the studio rolling, and you will find the video on the end screens. We'll show you what that month's prizes are that are going to be available to the winner. And it's usually multiple paintings and maybe a book, although I don't think so next month because book sales are down and I got to stop offering to give them away if I want to sell them. So you can help me by watching the video longer, giving me thumbs up, continuing to leave me great comments, and I appreciate that. If you shop my links, the Amazon link is at no added cost to you, and there's all kinds of cool stuff there. List number 1 has all kinds of acrylic pouring tools and other tools as well, and mica powders. Anyway, so I love you guys. I'm sure that I'm going to run out of time because I forgot to set a timer, but check for my recipe under the video. And thank you guys for coming, and I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out. And you're still here, and I love that. I wonder what I forgot to tell you. There's over 1,000 videos. I think I told you that. The genres are, there's 12 or 13 genres now, and there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other videos. And I hope you visit soon. Bye for now. I love you. Batzell out. I'll see you anon. Maybe tomorrow. Hey, binge watch for me, would you? Thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. Like you wouldn't know. Bye.